Hi everyone, my name is RobinB360 and today we are going to talk about the Xbox Series X and S Dolby Vision update. So if you find any value in this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, it would help me a lot. To start, if you don't know what Dolby Vision is, it's basically an HDR format designed by Dolby to show you the best possible image. That means an ultra vivid picture, amazing color and contrast for every scene and more detail in dark and bright scenes. Normally it's used for movies and series, but now it's available for gaming. So this week Dolby Vision launched on the Xbox Series X and S, which means that more than 100 next-gen HDR titles optimized for Series X and S are available now or coming soon in Dolby Vision. In addition to that, thousands of classic HDR10 and Auto HDR games will benefit from improved picture quality through the new Dolby Vision enhancement on Xbox Series X and S. It's also important to point out that Xbox Series X and S are the first consoles to support gaming in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, which enhance gameplay with both full spectrum visuals and immersive audio. Dolby Vision is compatible with next generation features available on Xbox Series X and S, such as DirectX ray tracing, automatic low latency mode and variable refresh rates up to 120 FPS. So in short, Dolby Vision brings games more to life and expands your gaming experience. Not only on new games or upcoming games like Halo Infinity, which will take full advantage of Dolby Vision, but also older games will improve. There is a catch though. To ensure the best possible Dolby Vision gaming experience, you will need two things: a Dolby Vision enabled TV, and you'll need to enable your TV's next-gen gaming settings, such as automatic low latency mode or variable refresh rates. Many 2020 and 2021 TVs, along with a select number of older TV models that support Dolby Vision, have unlocked next-gen gaming features designed for gaming in Dolby Vision. Microsoft and Dolby informed that they've been working closely with TV manufacturers to make Dolby Vision gaming as seamless and automatic for as many Dolby Vision-enabled TVs as possible. So I've tested it on my LG OLED screen and it seems to work perfectly. The image is just stunning. Players with TV models that have not been optimized to unlock Dolby Vision with next-gen gaming settings may experience latency issues during gameplay. So check with your TV manufacturer if a firmware update is or will be available to reduce latency. If the issue persists, you can always disable Dolby Vision gaming on your console, or you can try this tip on the top of your screen. To check if your display supports Dolby Vision, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then go to Settings, General, TV and Display Options, and then to 4K TV Details. For the best Dolby Vision experience, I recommend using automatic low latency mode. To enable Dolby Vision, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then press Settings, General, TV and Display Options, go to Video Modes, and then to Dolby Vision for gaming. One note, make sure your Xbox and TV are running the latest firmware for the best gaming experience. For a list of the latest Dolby Vision supported TVs, go to this link below. So that is how you can get the best image on your Xbox Series X and S. But if you also want to combine it with the best sound, you might also want to enable Dolby Atmos.
This is Dolby Atmos.
For those that don't know what it is, it's basically a new audio format that allows you to hear sound in a 360-degree bubble. With its object-oriented audio engineering and its up or down firing speakers, Dolby Atmos is changing the way home theaters are set up and, more importantly, the way sound is distributed in your room. Of course, you need to have a TV and a sound system that supports Dolby Atmos, so if you check your specs, here's how to set it up. To enable Atmos, you need to download the Dolby Access app from the Microsoft Store. After launching the app, it will offer you a paid license. You don't need to buy this unless you want Atmos for headphones, which I will explain later in this video. For home theaters, Atmos support is free. Head to Settings and then to Volume and Audio Output. Under Speaker Audio, select Bitstream Out as your HDMI audio format, and then select Dolby Atmos Home Theater as your bitstream format. Now you should get Dolby Atmos audio in supported games and apps like Netflix. And here you can see if the game supports Dolby Atmos. For headphones, it's a bit different. If your headset offers its own virtual surround feature built in, you can enable that on the fly when gaming or watching movies. To use your Xbox Spatial Audio feature, head to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output, and look at the option under Headset Audio. For headset format, you can choose Windows Sonic for headphones, Dolby Atmos for headphones, or DTS Headphone X. Windows Sonic for headphones is free and already installed on your Xbox. Choosing Dolby Atmos for headphones or DTS Headphone X, however, will prompt you to download Dolby Access or DTS Sound Unbound app from the Microsoft Store. Both Dolby and DTS offer free trials of their headphone surround processing, though you need to purchase a license in order to continue using it after the trial period. Once you've downloaded your app of choice and opted for the free trial, you can select the headphone icon in the app and press Setup to enable the feature. The app will take you to the Xbox audio settings page to enable it from the headset audio drop-down menu. Which surround format you choose and the equalizer settings you apply is a personal preference. Play with the different sound formats and their settings in their apps to find what you like best. At any time you can switch between surround formats by going back to Settings, General, and then to Volume and Audio Output. Once you've done that, you have the best sound and image quality, so you should be ready to go. But if you need more tips, I have a few Xbox tips ready for you on the right top of your screen. And there are more tips coming in next week, so make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell button if you don't want to miss it. To close it off, I have one question for you. What type of screen are you gaming on right now? I'm really curious about this, just to see what everyone's preferences are. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.